superheroes. I'm Alina, and today is Thursday, April 16, 2020.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now it's birthday time. Yay, woohoo! Happy birthday to fourth grade teacher, Mrs. LaCosta. Happy birthday!
Now it's time for Get Buffy, yes!
Good morning, superheroes. I'm Bree, and today for Get Buff, we are going to be doing a frog press. What you do is you lay on your back, you put your heels together, knees apart, and you lift your legs like this, and then push forward. We're going to be doing that for 10 seconds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, BES. Keep working out. That's it for me now. Back to your anchors.
Now it's time for the joke of the day.
Good morning, superheroes. I'm Brianna, and I'm here with the joke of the day. What language do billboards speak? Sign language. Well, that's it for me. Now back to your anchor.
That joke was out of this world!
Now it's time for Book Week!
Good morning, superheroes. Yes, it is Book Week, which means we are celebrating super readers. Today, we are celebrating third graders who have been reading Sunshine State books, going into their My Learning course for the Sunshine State books, and taking those quizzes for the books they're reading and passing them with an 8 or higher. Now, they are going to be earning these brag tags for those books. Let's see an example of one. Here is Superstar. So, any book that you have read for the Sunshine State books, I have a tag. I'm going to be saving them for you so that when we return to school, you will get to collect your tags. So let's see who has been earning them in third grade, shall we? So from Miss Lewis's class, Mahara B has earned one for Engine Nerds. From Mrs. Martinez's class, Aaron J has earned one for Cosmic Commandos, Engine Nerds, Ghost Attack, and Wedgie and Gizmo. From Miss Thompson's class, Levi T has earned one for Ben Franklin's In My Bathroom. And from Miss Ward's class, Elena F has earned one for Dragon with the Chocolate Heart. And Valentina C has earned one for both Tumble and Blue and Superstar. Now, because she has finished those two quizzes, that means she also has earned an I Read Them All star, just like Sebastian did on yesterday's show, because she has read all 15 third through fifth grade Sunshine State books. Way to go. Now, have you read Superstar like Valentina has? Brianna has, and she has a review of the book, so let's watch it.
Now it's time for book review.
Good morning, superheroes. I'm Brianna, and I'm here on my bookshelf. My favorite book is Superstar. Superstar is about a little boy named Lester who is starting 5th grade, where nothing is like his research told him it was going to be. The cafeteria is too loud for his ears, his teacher confuses him, and the meanest kid in his class has decided to make Lester his target. Then one day, Lester finds out about the science fair and decides that maybe, just maybe, elementary school will be worth it after all. I hope you read this book and enjoy it. That's it for me now. Back to your anchor.
Thanks, Brianna. That was a great review of Superstar. I also love that book. So that's an option for you to read if you want to keep reading Sunshine State books. But maybe you don't have Superstar at home, or maybe you don't have any other Sunshine State books at home, and maybe you don't have a library card so you can't use the Overdrive or Libby apps that I talked about yesterday, but you do want to keep reading. Well, I have some ideas for you. Did you know that there are a couple reading apps on your My Pasco Connect screen? Now, a lot of you already know about Bookshelf and Epic, but did you know about Access 360? It should also be right there on your main My Pasco Connect screen. It looks like this. If you click it, you should get a login screen like this. You'll type in your student ID here, also known as your lunch number, and that should get you to this screen where you can search for a title, or you can just scroll down and look at all of the different categories and the books in those categories. Or you can go to a particular category you like. Say, for instance, you like graphic novels. You can click View All. Then you can see what's available in the graphic novels section. You can see here whether something needs to be placed on hold or if it's available now for checkout. If you have any questions about any of the apps that I talked about today or yesterday, or if you have questions about anything I've talked about, or if you have suggestions of your own for apps or anything that we can do during this time of distance learning, go ahead and send me an email at this address, or you can upload your videos or your pictures so that you can share your ideas with the rest of the families that are watching our new show. You can upload it at the link that you see in our Facebook post or on our YouTube description. We would love to see your videos and pictures, and I would love to hear from you and get your feedback. All right, let's move on. Now, another way to celebrate reading is by wearing a Hogwarts t-shirt, because who doesn't love Harry Potter? I know that Piper loves Harry Potter, and she has a DIY for you. Take it away, Piper.
Good morning, superheroes. I'm Piper, and today we have a DIY craft to do. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to maybe be a Harry Potter, a Hermione Granger, maybe I don't know, Draco Malfoy? Well, you're in luck because I have the perfect DIY craft for you. So today what you'll need is a chopstick, a paintbrush, paint of any type, extra glue sticks, not the glue sticks. Glue sticks are hot glue. A paper towel, a hot glue gun, a paper towel for the hot glue gun so it doesn't drip on anything. And that's it. Also, wait, you'll need your hands. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take the hot glue gun and we're going to use this to make any design you want on your wand. So what you want to do is you want to have the skinniest part on the end, like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to make I'm making just little circles. You just keep going until you're done. Mine, I want to imitate Hermione Granger's wand. So it's kind of like, Hermione Granger's is like a leafy type thing, but mine is going to be more of like, instead of leaves, it's going to be like little circles. Careful not to burn yourself because, trust me, it hurts a lot. Alright, so you want to be careful after this. You want to set your hot glue gun down over the napkin because hot glue burns bad. So you want to be very careful. So if you want, you can take all the strings off. Okay, so now mine's dry. You're going to take your paintbrush and you're going to paint the color. You're going to paint over it the color that you want. You don't have to paint it, but I like painting it because it gives it a cool touch. I'm painting mine gold, but it doesn't have to be gold. It can be any color. Alright, so I finished. And what you should do at the end to make sure you got all of it, put your finger on the top and just paint a little coat on all of it. Just to make sure that none of it is unpainted. There you go. So you want to let it dry for as long as it needs until it's not wet anymore. So you're going to want to put your paintbrush on the paper towel so it doesn't get anywhere.
Pretty nice, huh? See all the texture? And then once it dries, it can be your very own one. Thanks for watching. That's it for me. Now back to your anchors.
Now it's time for the lead statement.
I'm proud to be a leader. I'm ready to learn each day. I'm embracing the diversity around me because we are unique in our own way. Amplifying positivity everywhere I go, leading others to their personal best because I'm a BES superhero. That's it for the news, and we're out of here. Bye.